G'day, it's Peter from DIY Full Range Hi-Fi Speakers in Sydney, Australia, and today I completed my prototype for the spiral Voigt pipe loudspeaker, which is a 6-inch. And here is some build photos, which I'll try and talk through. So I've used call flute for the rounded sections of the spiral. As you can see, it was very fiddly, and so basically used silicone to glue the call flute to the timber. This is the port tube, which is made of some PVC pipe. Here I've sort of approximated the inner circle with a circle intersecting with the spiral tube, just to try and simplify things a little bit. It seemed to work okay, and today I've spent the day basically putting another flange around the top of the call flute inner spiral, and basically then I've got a rubber seal on the top of that. I took this picture here because I got the feeling I was building a musical instrument, which of course I am in a sense. So it's remarkable how good this speaker sounds now that I've finished it and done a sound test, which follows very shortly. You be the judge. It's one of my favourite tracks from a Turkish folk band, and I'll put their details in the comments. You know the drill, put your headphones on or connect to a hi-fi system for best sound. This is recorded on my iPhone 13. pretty happy with that sound. I'm pretty excited. I'm not sure what the next step is going to be, but I'm going to order some SB Acoustic 6-inch full range drivers for it and see how that sounds. But I also might start making a second one and trying to figure out how to make it a bit simpler and easier. This is my dog Bronald. He's kind of the inspiration for Bloodhound speakers, and he's there cooling off in the Australian summer in our little creek by the bay. Anyway, thanks for watching and thanks for your support. Happy full ranging, guys.